Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April the 4th. And, well, we've had a pretty big rundown overnight. And we're just now seeing the bottom of it. Here's where we are home plate wise. Yesterday was a good solid run down. And so now it's very probable we're going to have a retracement. We've come all the way down to the 89, touched it, and that was a big, huge run down. So I'm not looking for this thing to take off another 20 points down in a straight line. Okay, there's the opening. Volume's already at 15,000, and the only news we have is ISM non-manufacturing PMI at 9 o'clock.
Order filled.
Oh, goodness. Let's go again.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay, we get that bulge right there. What I'm looking at, we've reached this bottom band here. Quite a bit of divergence in there. And we know we're at a home plate. Now these triggers coming down pretty strong like that, it's gonna work a little sideways in here. That normally is how it works. Gets us right in here behind this little pivot. The 377 is looking pretty good here for more up, as is the 233 and the 610. The 987, if it can lock that thing on the rail, Katie bar the doors, we're heading on up. Now the other way I can look at this though is that we've come way up this way, and look what our price has done really. MACDs could be going up for gas. Don't pay attention here and see what happens. Okay, so we're still working in that deep retracement area from this pivot here down. Okay. So now the question is, what's this separation going to do here? Well, I look at my 610. It's got a little bit of separation, but our 987 is good on the rail, so we're going to get a little bit. We're going to get some sideways action happening here. That makes sense. Sideways action will pull that up against the rail a little bit tighter.
Target filled.
Okay, I went ahead and closed that one because with the MACDs like that, and this kind of abandoning me with that gap there, that separation, we're going to wait here for this deep retracement to come down here. When it comes down into this area, we'll get our look and we'll take it long again. The other thing I've got to think about here is that we've had it come all the way up to the mid band up here. This may also be the shot where it's going to then make a stab down and keep pressing down. Okay, this coming up, going to the 62 like this and then popping up. This is actually better for it to then slam back down. Let's watch what happens right in through here. Just like that.
Order filled.
Alright. Get behind that pivot there. So we'll get right back here. Okay, we got, darn it. Well, this could be pre-news jitters pushing us up like that. Okay. Keep an eye on this. Just came and nicked me out there, didn't it? Okay, got behind the pivot there. Seeing so much separation here. I like the area around the 23 for this thing to drop nicely down. Trying to hit it though around news can be a little bit of a challenge. "30 seconds to news. Market's drying out on us. See if we've got the right direction here. Now what I'm looking for is with that kind of separation right there, and it's the second time we've had that separation. Should find the MACD on this side.
Order filled.
My uncertainty disappeared there. Okay, looking here at the 610, we're finally getting over to this other band here. Let's see how we're going to do when we get there. Okay, this 819 area down in here, we know that that is a double bottom. So let's, it just smashed through that double bottom. Pretty strong there. And we've gotten to the bottom rail here, and we seem to be getting on it. Now the interesting thing is as this thing pushes down through the bottom here, we've got the potential to form a foot here. Have to see what that's going to do. Okay, I'm going to take this area out here for this to work. That needs to go ahead and get taken out. And now it'll bring this on down to the bottom band here. This guy sure wants to play like a foot. Still, this MACD getting down here has been unfulfilled. That double bottom on the big chart has shown some solid support. Okay, we are breaking on through the support area here. It's going to be enough to push it on down. 610's kind of squished up together. See if it can go ahead and spill down to the bottom. Alright, there we go. Now we can say we've broken it. Next target's down around 816. Alright, where I've got my stuff, there's another area there. plate's actually within probably that area. Okay, this is done very nicely. The 610 splashing down like that. Look at this, the 987. We've realized the BB to the bottom rail. Now, the fun thing's going to be is if we can get this guy to go ahead and lock on the rail here, because this was acting like a big old bear flag. Okay, I need it to go ahead and do something. Push down here because the view is getting fuzzy on me. Alright, so 610's gotten ziggy-zaggy. This has gotten flat here. Not good for more up. Yeah. Just wait. Okay. Here we come. This is a double top area right here. See if it's going to make a push down or not. Or if it's going to close the whole thing out for me. It's a pretty big run up in the MACDs there. Okay. There we go. It pushed all the way down. I really was looking for it to get to that 62 and didn't quite make it. However, if we look at it from here, look what it did. It actually did reach the 62. 4.4 for the day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you later.